Hi everyone! Today I want to show you guys how easy it is to add your own bubbles or integrations into Bubble Lab. We've had users asking for workflows that rely on integrations that we haven't added yet. So instead of waiting on us, I want to show you how straightforward it is to add them yourself so that you can build pretty much anything that you want right now. I have the Bubble Lab repo open here in Cursor, and we have a detailed guide on how to add new bubbles in this markdown file, create bubble readme. For today's example, I'm going to add the Github bubble since we've had users wanting workflows to help with PR review, repo file retrieval, automated comments, and so on. Because GitHub is so well documented, adding an integration like this is actually extremely straightforward on Bubble Lab. I can literally prompt Cursor to add it and follow the instructions from this file and also paste in the API documentation from GitHub. As a bit more context, I'll tell it that the immediate use cases so far is to get certain files from repos, help with PR and messages, etc., and that we only want to add non-sensitive scopes for now. By following the instructions here, Cursor will be able to generate the full structure of the typed integration definition, the XOD schemas for parameters and return values, the credential configuration, test examples, and the logo and all the metadata. We've designed Bubble Lab's infrastructure so that every single integration is fully end-to-end type safe. This is to ensure that the parameters are validated at runtime, TypeScript catches the issues before execution, and everything is self-documented in detail. Let's rebuild the app and test it out live. I'll ask Bubble Lab to list all the open PRs in a specific GitHub repo. You'll see now that it's building, and it's created this workflow that uses a newly added list PRs bubbles using the GitHub integration. Let's test it out for the Bubble Lab repo, which we currently have 2 open PRs for. So we'll need to put in the fields accordingly and also get our GitHub API token since this is a new integration. Let's run it, and here we go. We see the 2 PRs that I have, one of which is called feat curl and prompts improve, and the other one is named feat xbubble, and that is exactly what matches in our GitHub repo. So that's how easy. We just added another integration in a couple of minutes and tested it out on a real use case. If you have a service that you want Bubble Lab to support and it's not right now, feel free to tell us, or if you want to just build it yourself, we welcome PRs and we would love your contributions. That's it for today. Keep the feedback coming, and I will see you guys next time.